Hello, this is the third, and I'm here to explain how to solve beginner series number 3, Sum of Numbers. This is Codewars challenge, which is a 7 Caillou task. Now, for this one, we are given two integers, a and b, which can either be positive or negative, and they are not ordered. And the goal is to find the sum of all the integers, including them between it, and then return whatever that sum is. So what we want to do here is first remove the thing if they're the same numbers, like just get that out of the way. So for that is a simple if statement saying if a is equal to b, then just return a. I mean, you could do return b as well, but they're the same, so it doesn't matter. Then we want to essentially order this and then find out the sum of numbers in between them. So to order it, we can do, I'm going to do small to big. So we'll have the variable small, then a variable big, and have it assigned to the sorted of A and B. I need to make this a list. There we go. Now what this does is it sorts A and B out, and then guess whatever is in A and puts it to small, and whatever is in B and puts it to big. These square brackets just means that it's in a list, and that's how it gets sorted out and stuff. Because if it wasn't, then it wouldn't work. It wouldn't be assigned, and then a whole load of syntax stuff. If you're interested, I have a series on Python that explains all sorts of functions, such as the sorted. And then after, we need to do a sum that returns just the sum of everything. And for that, what we do is we do return sum. This sum just means whatever is inside of this. It just adds everything up together and returns that. So use sum of num for num. Num just means number. It could be anything. You could do I, Z, O, whatever. Num in range of small. This is the smallest one. And big plus 1. It has to be big plus 1 because small is inclusive. This start bit. Big is exclusive, which means it doesn't count in the actual number. So you do plus 1 to get the full range. And then we test it. And it doesn't work. Why? I see. That was incorrect syntax. And there we go. It all works. I hope this helped. And be sure to check out my Python how to playlist.